Let's practice rectangle command. Type REC, enter. Click on drawing area. Set length 10. And width 160. Enter. Press enter. Click on top left. Move cursor to bottom. Set length 75. And width 10. Enter. Press enter. Click on top left. Move cursor to right. Set length 40. And width 50. Enter. Type C, enter. Click center of rectangle. Set radius 10. Enter. Press enter. Move cursor to midpoint. Hold until you see midpoint mark. Move cursor to bottom. Set distance 20. Enter. Set radius 10. Enter. Type L, enter. Click corner bottom. Move cursor to left. Set length 15. Enter. Click to top left corner. Enter. Press enter. Click on top corner right. Click to top corner rectangle. Enter.